Today, I'll introduce you to YCT. In full, it stands for Youth Chinese Test. The book is designed for primary school and also middle school students. The book consists of 12 lessons covering all the 80 words, 10 grammar items, and 9 function items of YCT Level 1. Today, we will start with Lesson 1. Ni hao. Ni hao is often used when you greet your friends. Ni hao. Ni hao. Nin hao is when you greet older people to show some respect. Nin hao. Nin hao. Ni means you. Hao means good or fine. Now, let's use the words in a sentence. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Nin hao, nin hao, nin hao, nin hao. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.